Not really sure if this is gonna make YouTube or not, but just in case it does, I figured we'll record it. But today we're gonna meet up with Sonny. You guys remember Sonny, right?
It's really hungry.
That's a good burger. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna go hang out at his place and try to, I don't really want to say fix. We're gonna make his side-by-side a little better. So, yeah, let's head over there and try that. Sorry to interrupt this video, but I gotta talk to you about today's sponsor. It's me, and the V, and sometimes B. Yeah, we don't have sponsors because we're new. So make sure you hit that subscribe and hit the like button and comment. I read all of them, even the fat ones. We're interested in some sponsors, actually. You know, I'm not a sellout or anything, but you got Go Fast parts. You know, we're trying to make the V faster after that embarrassing losses. I'll put a sticker anywhere on this thing if it gains horsepower, you know what I mean? If any soft drink companies want to reach out to me, certain cool red cans and bottles and stuff that I love dearly. And we're trying to get fit, you know, lose weight so we don't have to do weight reduction on the car. So good gyms, gym brands, supplements. I'll support you while you support me. If you don't, then I mean, we can go the other route completely. The Golden Arches, yo, freaking A Certain King, the place that's got that meat, you know. Local buffets, hit me up, I got you, as long as you got me. But anyway, have fun with the video.
Well, you can see the buckle right here. That's one of the big, that's the only thing that I can find blatantly that's ka-chowed.
That's not even nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be.
I'm sure there's more, but I mean, if you stand and look at it like this, you can see it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a big difference for how little that's buckled.
Well, I'm sure everything else is, but that was just the weak point that gave. The whole thing's a little. So I'm thinking just put one of the straps right here. You can see they hooked on it. They tried doing that. But I think they went down. Oh, did I go dent right there? Oh, they hit something here. They were trying. Oh, they dented the frame more. They didn't make it any better for, you know, it's making more damage. Yeah, so if they're hooking it like here, and like this made sense, but what the are they hooking here for? That makes no sense. And they broke off the jerk fitting right there.
By the way, he caused this damage.
No, I bought it like this.
He caused it.
Nope.
He hit a tree.
Really?
No.
Somebody did.
somebody definitely hit something very hard, and that's why Sonny got a very nice discount when he bought this.
Yeah, but now I want.
Makes me jealous because he somehow finds these deals all day long.
Yeah, but now I gotta pay for it, so I gotta make it better to get my money. Because I put money into it, so I want to get some more money back out of it. That's the goal, at least.
Gangster.
Oh, yeah, ready to go try snatch and block?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Huh, well, you guys take the truck. I'll scoot over this. I figured just go to the end of the block where there's no houses.
All right. Just like top of the hill there, or?
Kinda. And the truck goes up first, that way we have the momentum of the hill to help us.
Okay. I thought his truck was gonna crush me for a second. I love his truck. Sonny, let me buy it. Give me 40 grand cash right now.
You bought a 60 or 80?
I don't know what he bought this for. Definitely not 40 though.
Yeah.
I'll probably run it like that. hooking this thing to a frame shop, and they didn't do shit, so.
But don't worry, I still had a peg, so there's that for it.
Yeah, you still had to pay like $300, $400.
360.
So now he's reverting to snatching it, trying to fix it himself.
That was a doozy. I got about 5 inches.
Hey, that's average, brother.
5 inches is average? I thought that was massive, dude. Yeah, right here. Nothing?
Nah.
If it's still the same, we're done. I don't know, dude. I think you got like an 8. Yeah.
Still in the sweet spot.
If I looking down, I was like, what the fuck are they doing?
Pull up!
America.
Tells you they can't move it, but I mean,
I also think they're idiots, though, to be fair.
Alright. Mission unsuccessful. Load them up, move them out. This concludes Sonny's side-by-side frame pole mission. Adventure. It didn't work, but that's okay. We had fun. It was really fun watching. Yeah. You got anything to say, Sonny?
Don't buy something with a bent frame.
Yeah, live fast, eat ass.
Eat ass?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, it does.
Yeah. And oh, this is Sonny's Camaro. We'll be back at a future date. You already saw this if you watched the Drag and Drive video. If you haven't, go watch the Drag and Drive video.
This will be running by the time.
Go do it. Yeah, that's it for now. Freaking, have we came out with an outro yet?
See you later.
Alligator.
Ah.
Yep, there you go.
Hit pause. End it. End it.